The Canon LiDE100 color image scanner delivers impressively sharp document and photo scans thanks to its high optical resolution and clean color reproduction. Its automatic scan mode is genuinely useful, quickly recognizing whether you place a photo, document, or card on the glass and choosing sensible settings without extra tweaking. The 4 dedicated function buttons make everyday tasks like creating portable document format files or sending scans by electronic mail feel almost as simple as using a copier. Canon's hinged lid design lifts to accommodate thick notebooks and small bound items while still keeping them flat enough for even edge-to-edge scans. Built-in correction tools do a good job refreshing older photos by reducing visible dust, scratches, and fading without requiring advanced editing skills. A single universal serial bus cable handles both power and data, which keeps the desk tidy and makes this scanner easy to move between computers.